Good afternoon. My name is Asomba Obumneme Precious. I'm from the Faculty of Engineering, the Department of Electronics Engineering. Well, basically, ever since I was a child, I've always had this flair for technology. My dad is currently a communications engineer. So watching him work that time used to give me this kind of joy. I was very curious. I wanted to know like what he was doing. So with time, there was revolution of technology. I was really excited, with the evolving of the smartphones, with the coming out of the personal computers. It was a really exciting period. And as I was in my secondary school, I made up my mind that yes, that this is the path I'm going to actually study. This is the path I'm going to actually take. Then, but so far the journey has not been easy. It hasn't really been easy, but thank the Lord. Studying electronics engineering in the University of Nigeria, Nsukka, has really taught me how to be creative, how to keep an open mind, how to be problem solving at all times. I remember there was this course we did in our third year, measurement and instrumentation. We had to design a power tester, an Arduino power tester. It was a time that we had to come together and think about creative solutions and how we will be able to design this stuff, write the program. It was very nice experience, a very good first-hand experience of electronics engineering. So now that I plan on after I graduate, I plan on going in the telecoms aspect of engineering. But I also there's this my own personal project that I need to handle. Renewable energy in Nigeria is a problem that's been in my heart for some time. Where I live, we don't usually get light like that. So I know this sun that is always wasting, is not really nice like that. That we lack electricity, and yet there are these natural sources of energy that we can tap into that are just wasting away. So I plan on, when I get out of here too, I plan on trying to walk that path, investing into renewable energy and see how these natural sources of energy can be harnessed for our use. Thank you very much.